This is the Huntertown Fire Department car, truck, and bike show. The only person I got to talk to was security, making sure I had license for my drone. I did a quick flyover, but it was windy, so I couldn't keep the drone steady. It was a nice car show though, overall. A few of the cars I did see later in other shows I recorded. Hey, hope you enjoyed this. This is a nice Dodge Dart as we come up on it. Really, really nice. Paint job is excellent. And we've got a Mustang Fastback. Looks really nice. Yes. Yeah, look at that. That looks really good. And here we go. Here's a Buick Skylark, and not sure if it's a 69 or a 68, but looks good. Paint job looks good. Yeah. There we go. And not sure of the make. There we go. We've got a Mustang here, a pony. Yeah, convertible. It's got a roll bar in it. Yeah, check this out. Yes, GT. Yeah, check out that. Wow, that looks good. That color is just popping. There we go, convertible Camaro. And next to it, I believe, is a 69 convertible Camaro Indy Pace car. Yeah, that looks good. And here we go. Another pony, a 5.0. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. That looks good. That black coupe. Ooh, fastback. And here's another pony right next door. Gray. And what we got? We're catching a Trans Am as they're leaving. And it looks good, yes. And it sounds good. Shade Tree Speed Shop. Yeah, pick up there. Yeah. Okay. And we've got a Corvette sitting there, but we're scanning another display leaving. Looks like a Nova. Oh, that sounds good. Yes. And spinning back around to the Corvette. And silver, boy, that looks good. Convertible. Yep, and we've got another one leaving, and listen to it. Wow, he sounds good. Yes, he's not going to burn out or anything. I think he's waiting for someone to pull out so that they can continue. Looks good though. Check that out. Ooh, that blue looks good. Yeah, see there, the Mustang convertible was leaving. There's another red pickup. Looks good. Yeah, and I think this is a El Camino. Yeah, I did the Lima, Ohio show, and as I was coming along, It was a Sprint, GMC Sprint. And I said, look at this El Camino. And the owner sitting behind it, he said, that's not an El Camino. He said, it's a Sprint. You should take a look at that show. It's very interesting. So I think he said it was only like 6,000 of them made. That Camaro looks good. Oh, that looks good. Nice looking pick me up here. That color is gorgeous. Here's a Camaro in the corner of the eye. Nice colors. Looks factory. Yeah, we've got another driver leaving. We're going to catch it as they roll by. I think this is a El Camino also. And then we've got this Ford pickup leaving. I caught this in a burnout in the 14th annual cruise in at the Haven Chevrolet. Woo-wee! Check this Nova out. Silver with the black vinyl top. Boy, they sound good. Camaro blue. Wow, that looks good. Factory, but still looks good, you all. Yeah, and this car right here, I actually got a chance to do an interview with the owner of it in the Portillo car show I did. And I think I catch him leaving here. Or if you want to hear a nice sound, there he goes. And nice sounding car. And he gave me a quick tour, so you've got to take a look at that show. Yes. 1960 Corvette. Well, that looks good. Boy, that looks good. I'd love to hear how it sounds. There you go. Boy, he sounds good leaving away. Yeah. I got here a little late. I did another show called the True Kings Motorcycle and Car Show. And so by the time I got here, a lot of drivers were already leaving. So I grabbed what I could grab. And saw some nice cars on display, though. They were still out there, like this Camaro right here. Whoa, look at that. Man, that color is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that is most gorgeous. I'd love to hear how it sounds. Woo, man. Took a shot of the engine so you can see. Whoa, look at that. My goodness, it's gorgeous under there. '57. Very popular cars. One of my brothers had back in the day, the late middle 60s, I want to say the middle 60s, he had a convertible 57 Chevy Impala, black. It was a white bottom with black top, black interior. Man, was that car fast. Of Corvette there, looking good. There's a Chevelle down there, looks good. Convertible, yes. GT 500, looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Some of these cars were for sale out here, and I think one or two are coming up. Yeah, and here goes an Impala. I believe this is a 63 Impala. Chevy Impala, looks nice and got a sign says 2 trucks for sale, and looks good. Yeah, kind of zoomed in. There you go with the Thunderbird. Nice 60 Thunderbird here, coupe. Yeah, there we go. Got some trucks. Yeah, one with some Monster. Look at that, a nice lift on it. Wow, that looks good. GMC. Yep, there we go. And check this out. Good paint job on it. Chevrolet. And I believe this is another Chevy pickup over here. Oh, that looks good. Hauser Automotive. Yeah. This looks good, and I believe this is a 57 Jaguar, or as the British or the English say, Jaguar. Looks very good. Yes, it is. That's very nice. Now this GTO, I caught this here the very first time. This is one gorgeous GTO. And I caught it again at the 14th annual cruise-in at DeHaven Chevrolet, where they were doing some burnouts. This particular guy, he didn't do one though, but still, this is one nice GTO. Want to thank you for stopping by. This is Al with the YouTube channel, The Car Show by Alex, and hope to see you again. Check out my other videos on the YouTube. The channel again is The Car Show by Alex.